हेलो फ्रेंड, मैं हूं तारिक जमाल और आप लोग देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। तो फ्रेंड, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, दैट इज पीपीएम। सो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट is a unique endeavor to produce a set of deliverables within clearly specified time, cost, and quality constraints. Projects are different from standard business operational activities as they are unique in nature. They don't involve repetitive processes. Every project undertaken is different from the last, whereas operational activities often involve undertaking repetitive, identical processes. Have a defined time scale. Projects have a clearly specified start and end date within which the deliverables must be produced to meet a specified customer requirement. Have an approved budget. Projects are allocated a level of financial expenditure within which the deliverable must be produced to meet a specified customer requirement. Have limited resources. At the start of project, an agreed amount of labor, equipment, and material is allocated to the project. Involve an element of risk. Projects entail a level of uncertainty and therefore carry business risk. Achieve beneficial change. The purpose of a project typically is to improve an organization through the implementation of business change. What is project management? A project management is the skill, tool, and management processes required to undertake a project successfully. Project management comprises a set of skill, specialty knowledge, skill, and experience are required to reduce the level of risk within a project and thereby enhance its likelihood of success. A suite of tools. Various types of tools are required by project manager to improve their chances of success. Examples include document templates, registers, planning software, modeling software, audit checklist, and review forms. Series of processes. Various management techniques and processes are required to monitor and control time, cost, क्वालिटी एंड स्कोप ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में कि आप इसको प्रॉपरली मॉनिटर करें, उसका जो टाइम है, कॉस्ट है और क्वालिटी है। सो एग्जांपल इंक्लूड टाइम मैनेजमेंट, कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट, क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, चेंज मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट एंड इशू मैनेजमेंट। नेक्स्ट मेरा जो टॉपिक होगा जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा वो होगा प्रोजेक्ट life cycle. So please stay connected with me and enjoy my channel. Thank you.